helping reduce a buildup of inflammation and improve people's inflammatory responses can really help improve quality of life. We landed on the name Joint Plus because we did some research, and the most common inflammatory symptom for people that they're searching for help for is joint. When we found an opportunity to cover that for people, but also support inflammatory response in the whole body. Outside of making sure we included the more bioavailable forms of curcumin, I wanted to support it in natural ways as far as joint health and inflammation. Yeah, I stayed within 4 ingredients really to build everything else around, and it's the microactive curcumin and tetrahydrocurcumin. So microactive curcumin has been micronized or made extremely small and is in a matrix with a couple other ingredients. The 3 most important things are the curcuminoids that are in there. That's the pigment from turmeric that will help reduce inflammation. It's important because in the state of being micronized, it includes its absorption, and normal curcumin has poor absorption in the body. Tetrahydrocurcumin is a metabolite of curcumin, and like microactive curcumin, its technology and its composition allow it to be absorbed better by the body and utilized. So it's more potent than a typical curcumin product. We're using bromelain at a really high enzyme count at 2,400 GDUs per gram. So bromelain is an enzyme that helps break down inflammatory mediators in the body. An inflammatory mediator is just a chemical your cells release that's a pro-inflammatory. Asperflex, which is the only ingredient that we found that has clinical studies on reducing pain caused by joint problems and inflammation, we're supporting and leaning in towards better absorption with adding estrogen and bioperine. We included type 2 collagen, which is the preferred peptide that your body will use to rebuild cartilage and joint tissue. QSerfit has utilized phytosomal technology, which is using quercetin with fats called phospholipids to help increase absorption. The main thing it does is it's been shown to have a lot of promise in reducing senescent cells, which lead to 9 different pro-inflammatory processes in the body. The most important one for joint health and inflammation is tissue dysfunction, which is a form of inflammation. Normal ginger root extract, standardized for gingerols, and then there's black ginger, standardized for 5,7-dimethyloxyflavanone. Both work to combat inflammation in the body, but one has other benefits as well. The black ginger, what it's standardized for, will actually improve blood flow, which will support the clearing of inflammation as well. There isn't one ingredient in this that's better than the other. They all work together for the target, and they attack the issue in different ways. We suggest taking 2 capsules, which is 1 serving, first thing in the morning or in the evening, ideally 4 to 6 hours away from your training, and on an empty stomach or with a meal containing fat. A lot of people think joint products are necessary when you only have a joint problem, but the way we formulated this product is to support overall health and inflammatory response too. So this is a product you can absolutely take if you don't have any acute joint problems or pain. It will also support your cardiovascular system, your blood sugar levels, your recovery from workouts, and general health, because reducing inflammation has been shown to improve health markers in a lot of different functions.